Now, on another matter, first, the Senate will confirm several more impressive nominees. We're currently considering Stephen Dixon of Georgia to lead the Federal Aviation Administration. After him, we'll turn our attention to 2 district court nominees. Wendy Williams-Berger is the President's choice for a U.S. District Court for the Middle District of Florida. She's a 2-time graduate of Florida State University with nearly 3 decades of courtroom experience, half of which has come on the bench. Brian Boucher has been tapped for a vacancy in the District of Nebraska, where he has spent nearly 2 decades practicing law. Throughout his career, he's gained expertise in a wide array of legal areas and has earned admiration within the Nebraska legal community and beyond. Those who know Mr. Boucher praise his, quote, intelligence, integrity, professionalism, attentiveness, and character. The mayor of Omaha, where he spent his entire legal career, has said, quote, Mr. Boucher would be an impartial judge capable of setting aside personal opinion. Now, despite his objective qualifications and all of this praise, our Senate Democratic colleagues were not satisfied. Here was the bombshell that offended some of our colleagues with respect to this nominee. Listen to this, Madam President. The nominee is a practicing Catholic. My goodness. Imagine that, Madam President. In the United States of America, a person of faith serving in government? Really? In particular, some of our Democrat colleagues raked him over the coals in committee for his membership in the Knights of Columbus. Shocking that a nominee for federal district court would be a member of the Knights of Columbus? Of course, we all know the Knights, a noted worldwide extremist sect of Catholics that is about 2 million men strong, known among other things for their love of their Catholic faith, their unparalleled commitment to charitable work, and for hosting barbecues and pancake breakfasts. Outrageous. I can't believe I need to repeat it here in the U.S. Capitol. But there's nothing about living out one's faith that is disqualifying for public service. Nothing. To the contrary, Madam President, what the Constitution does forbid is imposing any kind of religious test for public office. It's the Democrats' opposition to this nominee's faith, not his faith itself, that rubs against the grain of our Constitution. Fortunately, Madam President, this tactic didn't fly. Our colleagues on the Judiciary Committee saw this tactic for what it is and voted to report Mr. Bushler favorably here to the floor. I'll be proud to vote to confirm him later today.